name is Sébastien. I'm a rising 2L at the McGill Faculty of Law in Montreal. I've been serving as a legal intern here at the IHRDA for the past 3 months this summer. My stay here has been incredibly insightful. Just an exposure to the African human rights system as a whole has been a great introduction to building up my future legal career. I've done a lot of work as a legal intern, talking to professions in this field, focusing mostly on exposure to potential litigation, legal research, mechanisms of implementation. A lesson that I learned is that human rights work isn't necessarily perfect. A big key aspect of it is, despite the difficulties that there's faced, which comes from court delays or collecting evidence from victims, it's really passion that pushes it through. This faith and belief that human right mechanisms, the more that we use them, the more likely that they'll be effective. So carrying into that belief, if I choose to continue that in my career, I know to hold that passion dear. The skills in general that I've learned is going to help me as a whole when it comes to legal research, legal writing, familiarity with drafting cases, exposure to litigation, as I mentioned before, and a wide range of topics when it comes to making yourself prepare for cases. I've worked on cases ranging from child's rights to witchcraft, topics that I wasn't initially familiar with, but learned to appreciate through further research and seeing passion for the justice for the victims. I think the partnership between McGill University and the IHRDA has been very beneficial to both. I know that the partnership goes back for at least over a decade, and I hope to see it only continue. Having the opportunity to come to the Gambia rather than stay in Canada for the summer has definitely built an experience that many of my peers haven't been able to enjoy. And I think that it would set me apart. I would very strongly recommend that interns come here every summer so they can have the same experience. My final word would be a huge thank you to the staff, everyone who served as a supervisor to me, as a mentor to me, or even my coworkers and my peers who have been so friendly, so welcoming, and it's been the staff that I have had the greatest pleasure to work with.